Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart. So where we want to take a look at exactly here. This is our main concern as a technical analysis because there is some sort of the interesting pin bar here. Hammer pin bar. This is the pin bar that made a low at the level of 53,780, and since then the market has been trying to bounce. Nevertheless, it doesn't actually look that well. Let me just mark some levels here on this chart. So the first one will be, of course, the horizontal level, which will be the technical resistance. This is the level of 58,680. So only a sustained breakout above this level will be considered bullish. The other level, of course, is the low. The low will be now acting as the technical support, 53,780. And the third level is the last swing high, and the last swing high is located here at around the level of 63,634. So what is going on right now with this market? We can easily see some kind of a very interesting development that is taking place. We can see the situation when the market is trying to either bounce above this technical resistance and resume the up movement, or this kind of a horizontal trend is now developing because the bulls are not strong enough to break above the key technical resistance. So let's take a look at the RSI indicator to see what is going on with the momentum on this market. So this is the RSI. This RSI, as you can see, is located right now roughly around the level of 30 points, and it's bouncing from the extremely oversold conditions for the second time this month. Now, if we take a look here at the momentum, let me just mark it here. So there you go. This is the momentum, and we got the arrow, right? We got the new low, and then this low is a little bit higher. But that's completely different than the situation on the chart, because this is the low and this is the lower low. Well, it's very easy to understand that this is, of course, the bullish divergence. So the market might be ready to move a higher. Market might be ready to continue this nice bounce to the upside, but they need to, of course, to break above this swing low, which is now technical resistance 58,740. So the market is ready to move higher, and how much will be enough to consider that the bulls are back for the for good? Let me just show you guys how to do it. This is the last technical correction. This technical correction was 8.4%. So we need to do at least 8.4% in order to see any kind of a movement to the upside being considered as a bullish. So the last one was 0.49. That's not enough. Those corrections, this one and this one, are basically equal, and this is why they cannot be considered as good corrections for the bull trend to be resumed. So there is no reason for this kind of a thinking just yet. No overbalance was produced just yet. No price, no time overbalance. So we need to wait for a breakout above 58,680, right? So this is the key level. If the market will break above this level, maybe then the market will be ready to break above the level of 50, back above the level of 50, and then the next target, 63,634, is up for a test. But for now, please take a look at the lows, keep an eye on the lows, and please keep watching this development to the upside. When it will reach at least 9-10%, that's a significant enough for the correction to the upside to be considered as a bullish trend resumption. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.